We're drilling 3.5 kilometers into the sedimentary basin along the United States border, where we can access a geothermal resource that's about 120 degrees Celsius.
So a widespread sandstone that's right on top of the Precambrian rocks, never cared about because it's full of water. And coincidentally, obviously, that's what we're chasing.
When we pump that fluid to the surface, we can then remove the heat, use that heat, and turn that into power.
It's required interactions between professional geoscientists and engineers in order to try and unravel and understand the rocks and these hot fluids 3.5 kilometers below the crust.
This project is unique in that it is using horizontal drilling for the first time ever on a geothermal project.
The deepest ever well in Saskatchewan, down to 3.5 kilometers, and also the deepest ever horizontal drilled well, essentially from that depth.
From an engineering perspective, a lot of the work has gone into solving some of the technical challenges which can be described as the energy requirements to run the plant. Moving water takes power and it takes equipment, but you have to balance that with the available output of the machine.
It's the depth of the basin that gives us the temperature, but the widespread sand allows for a large resource to be developed there.
For this project, a lot of the effort has involved developing that resource and understanding how much energy is in that fuel supply, if I can call it that.
We believe we've cracked the code on how to develop these lower temperature geothermal resources. We hope that it'll become a flagship for other sedimentary resources around the world.
The waste heat from the geothermal power plant can be used to heat greenhouses, and so that might be a boon for the agriculture economy, particularly in southeastern Saskatchewan.
The fluid is flowing all the time, and because it's flowing, the reservoir is available to provide that fluid, to provide that energy on a 24/7 basis.
We'll have close to 100 megawatts of geothermal power that will be on stream, and we'll have worldwide recognition that we can take this concept and help a number of groups and areas to do the same.
We can demonstrate to Canada and the world that we have the ability to develop these lower temperature geothermal resources.
It's the first geothermal project in the country that a provincial utility has agreed and developed an agreement to link into the electricity grid.
We have a wonderful team, and we've got geologists, we have reservoir engineers, we have drilling engineers, we have power engineers, we have mechanical engineers. It is a project that requires engineering from above ground all the way to 3.5 kilometers down, and of course the rocks have to cooperate for the geoscientists as well. We're so grateful to have been nominated for this award. It's an opportunity to take that moment to acknowledge the team, to be proud of the team. This is a world-class project, and I'm so lucky to have the opportunity to work with these great people every day as we move this project ahead.